Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Wrong. We're uncovering the secrets of affiliate marketing that top earners don't want you to know. Stay tuned to turn clicks into cash and your dream into reality. Don't miss out. Every second you wait is money lost. Selecting the right niche in affiliate marketing is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It's about style, fit, and navigating the terrain ahead. Your niche acts as your compass in the vast landscape of the internet, guiding your steps toward success. It's crucial to choose a niche aligned with your passion and expertise. Why? Because when you talk about what you love, your audience connects with your authenticity, making your marketing efforts more effective. Now, picture the health and wellness niche. It's like a river that never runs dry. People are always looking for ways to improve their health, whether it's through diets, exercise, or mental health tips. The demand is consistently high, and the audience is broad and varied. Then there's the technology niche, constantly evolving and expanding. From the latest smartphones to groundbreaking software solutions, technology enthusiasts are always on the lookout for the latest and greatest, offering you an endless stream of content ideas. Lastly, personal finance, a niche as solid as a rock. In a world where financial security is a top priority for many, advice on saving, investing, or budgeting can be a beacon of hope. This niche not only helps you tap into a market of eager learners, but also allows you to make a meaningful impact on their lives. Each of these niches is not just a path to potentially making money while you sleep. They're also avenues where you can share your passion, connect with a community, and make a difference. But remember, the right niche for you is where your interests and the market demand intersect. Have you thought about which niche sparks that excitement in you? Selecting the right products for your affiliate marketing efforts is like choosing the perfect ingredients for a gourmet recipe. It can make or break the success of your venture. Now, imagine walking into a vast marketplace where every aisle and shelf is filled with products claiming to be your ticket to affiliate marketing glory. Sounds overwhelming, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, it's all about finding items with a strong sales history. Think about it, a product that consistently sells well for others is likely to do the same for you. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank are treasure troves for such gems. They provide detailed performance metrics, allowing you to pick not just any product, but the product. Now, signing up for affiliate programs might seem daunting at first, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Whether you're navigating Amazon's vast ecosystem or exploring specialized platforms like ClickBank, the process is user-friendly. And remember, the real magic lies in understanding the commission structure. A 5% commission on a luxury watch might make you more than a 50% commission on an ebook. Quality over quantity, always. But here's the kicker, not all that glitters is gold. A high commission rate is enticing, but if the product's quality is questionable, your reputation is on the line. Your audience trusts your recommendations, so choose products that you believe in. That trust is priceless. Now, I'm curious, have you come across a product or niche that excites you? What's holding you back from taking the plunge into affiliate marketing? In the bustling world of affiliate marketing, having your own space, your own platform is like owning prime real estate in the busiest part of town. Imagine it, one spot where all your content, all your recommended products reside. That's your website or blog, the heart of your affiliate empire. Now, setting this up might sound techy or complicated, but trust me, with platforms like WordPress, it's anything but. You see, WordPress walks you through the whole setup. It's choosing a theme that screams you, crafting spaces for your content, and ensuring that anyone anywhere can access it smoothly. The importance of user-friendly design can't be overstated. It's what makes your visitors stay, browse, and click those affiliate links. And remember, in a world glued to smartphones, your site needs to look just as stunning on a mobile device. That's mobile responsiveness, and it's crucial. But it doesn't stop at looks. Ever clicked on a site only to wait, and wait for it to load? Frustrating, right? Your site's loading speed is key. A few seconds delay, and you could lose a potential follower or sale. And while WordPress is a powerhouse for blog or website creation, I get it, not everyone's into writing. If you're more comfortable in front of a camera or crafting catchy posts, platforms like YouTube and Instagram are your stage. Now, with all this in mind, have you thought about the kind of platform that best suits you? How can you envision building your affiliate marketing presence? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine you're an internet detective, unraveling its secrets through keyword research. SEO or search engine optimization is your toolkit. It's about understanding precisely what your audience seeks online and customizing your content accordingly. Keywords are the clues people type into search engines. By integrating them into your content, you're signaling to search engines, I've got what they need. Now, how do you uncover these magical keywords? Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs come into play. They're like the magnifying glass in our detective analogy. Google Keyword Planner, a free tool, helps you find keywords related to your business and see estimates of the searches they receive and the cost to target them. Ahrefs, on the other hand, digs a bit deeper, offering insights on keyword difficulty and the volume of search traffic. This information is gold when planning your content strategy, but finding the right keywords is just the start. How you use them in your content is crucial. This is where on-page SEO tips come into play. Imagine sprinkling these keywords throughout your content like breadcrumbs, leading search engines right to your door. Use them in your titles, headings, within the content, and even in meta tags. But remember, it's a delicate balance. Too few, and you might not rank highly. Too many, and search engines might penalize you for keyword stuffing. By combining savvy keyword research with smart on-page SEO practices, you're setting your content up for success. It's not just about getting found, it's about getting found by the right people. Now, here's the question to ponder. What's the one keyword or phrase you want to be found for? In the digital marketing realm, nothing attracts an audience like content marketing. Rather than tossing out random information or sales pitches, you craft valuable, informative content that your audience appreciates. Imagine becoming the go-to expert in your niche by addressing your potential customers' questions. How do you create such magnetic content? Consider what your audience is searching for. Step-by-step guides to solve problems, honest product reviews, comparison posts, or educational videos simplifying complex topics. Each piece of content you create is a building block in your relationship with your audience. It's about adding value, not just noise. When you focus on what they need and answer their questions, you're not just another brand, you're a trusted advisor. And in today's world, that's pure gold. But here's the catch, creating standout content isn't just a one-and-done deal. It's about consistency, quality, and always keeping your finger on the pulse of your audience's evolving needs. Now, think about the last time you truly valued content from a brand. What made it stand out to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Email marketing, often seen as a veteran in the digital realm, harbors untapped potential to revolutionize audience engagement. Imagine a direct, algorithm-resistant channel to reach your audience. That's the essence of an email list. It's not just names, it's a community eagerly anticipating your next message. The crucial first step, building that list. Imagine offering something so irresistible, known as a lead magnet, that people can't help but exchange their email addresses for it. This could be anything from a free ebook filled with insider tips, an exclusive webinar, or a discount code for their first purchase. The trick lies in understanding what your audience craves and delivering exactly that in exchange for a spot in their inbox. Now, having a list is great, but what you do with it, that's where the magic happens. Creating compelling email content is like weaving a story where your subscriber is the protagonist. You're guiding them through a narrative, sharing useful information, insights, and offers that resonate with their needs and aspirations. This isn't about bombarding them with sales pitches. It's about building a relationship, one email at a time. But here's the real kicker, you don't have to do this alone. The beauty of modern email marketing lies in automation. Imagine crafting a series of emails that automatically welcome new subscribers, nurture their interests, and introduce them to your offerings at just the right time. It's like setting up a series of dominoes and watching them fall in a perfectly orchestrated pattern, leading your audience closer to a purchase or a desired action without you having to lift a finger every time.